If you like to make custom teas as much as we do, then you're going to need to get yourself a teapot with a little steeper in it. It's a little steeper keeper so that you can put your custom teas in there. This is a frozen brick of ginger and turmeric root with a little bit of ground pepper on top. We really like to have root tea, but if you just put it in there, it'll all melt and be like tea everywhere, little chunks of turmeric and chunks of ginger. And with this little steeper there, it keeps everything inside of there and then helps it make your nice tea. Got a little lid there that goes on it. This is what it looks like. We do a lot of turmeric tea, and turmeric is a very orangey, and so it stains everything. And there's also a lid here that goes on top when you're done. Keep your teapot nice and hot. And then it's got a little strainer there that you can put in here. So in case any chunks do get in here, they won't go through the end there into your teacup. But in general, if you use the steeper keeper here, all that stuff will stay in there. It's a really fine mesh, so there's not very much stuff getting through here, just the liquid. It's got a nice little logo on there and some nice engraving up around the edges. It's very pretty. Like I said, ours has turned a little bit orange from our turmeric tea. And then once you're all set, you just pour your hot water in there and it steeps your tea. It also comes with this nice little spoon that's got a clip on it here, so you could put your teas in there that way too. If you're using like a loose leaf tea, you could scoop these in there and then pour it into your steeper. Okay, and then once you got your water all boiled up, you can pour it in here to steep your tea. This water is 212 degrees, and you can see how it's melting that tea, melting the ginger and the turmeric root, and now we're getting this really nice orange tea. It's a nice spicy tea if you like that kind of thing. This is a great way to make your own custom teas here. And as you can see, there's no floaties in here. All the floaties are up in here in the steeper. And so you get a nice clean tea without any things floating around in it, which is pretty nice too. Yeah, so there it is. You can just put your little lid on there, let that tea steep, and you get your nice custom tea. And then once you got it just how you like it, we got another pot here where we put some honey in there so we can make sweet tea. And we just pour our hot water, our hot tea in there. You can see how it pours. It's got a nice pour there to it. The only downside to having an all glass teapot is the turmeric has an orange stain to it, and it stains all the glass. But the turmeric and the ginger is pretty strong, so you can get a couple pots out of it, a couple teapots out of it. Just see it in there soaking, getting all the tea out of it. And if you want a spicy tea, the ginger root and the turmeric root and the honey gives you a really nice sweet spicy tea that we really enjoy. You can see over here, this is starting to orange up pretty good too. So we're getting quite a bit out of our little bit of turmeric and ginger there.